So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change skill move on your FC Mobile 24. For that, you have to press on club, and then you have to press on again my team, and then you can see the team edition. You have to press on team edition, and then press on skill move. Then you can see for different option. Suppose I want to change heel to heel flick. That's this icon. So press on change, and then you can change ball roll or any other. Suppose rainbow, I want to rainbow for those player, or ball roll for those player, and press on assign. And you can buy lot of skill move here. So how to buy skill move? For that, you need to go your this option, and then you have to press on live event, and then you can see the skill move. Then you can see a lot of skill move here. You can easily buy any skill move from here. Just press on buy, and you have to spend 1000 gems for it. So you can buy this skill move, and you can add it on your player. So this is how you can easily change skill move on your FC Mobile 24. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.